How can you quickly detect overheating motors and mechanical components in industrial production equipment? There are a large amount of connection points in electrical substations. How do you improve site reliability? How can you quickly and easily locate hidden issues with buildings? For complex electrical equipment, how can you accurately locate the problem? HIKMICRO G Series thermal imaging cameras help you find the potential issues. A highly sensitive HIKMICRO VOX detector provides a distinct thermal image of the target. A 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen allows viewing the details of your images on the large, class-leading LCD screen. 50 Hz image frequency delivers smooth videos and measurements while panning across scenes or viewing moving targets. Multiple image modes to suit your preferred view. The camera automatically changes the temperature measurement range based on the detected temperature in the field of view. Interchangeable lens choices of 0.5 times, 2 times, 3.3 times are available. Different lenses give different fields of view, which offer more flexibility when facing different scenarios. Supports 4 types of focus modes to suit the user and give more accurate temperature measurements. Integrated laser distance meter provides accurate depth, giving convenience when generating. Focus on the area of the image you are interested in by narrowing the span with one tap of the screen. Wi-Fi connectivity to the mobile phone app allows you to quickly share images and generate reports on site. The built-in speaker gives the operator an audio alert to high temperatures. Detect every hidden fault. Find faults quickly. Seven color palettes give different image display options. Full screen measurement allows for different measurement parameters and checks everywhere on screen instantly. Color highlight the area above and below or between or out of the set thresholds. Pull the trigger to capture the thermal image. Leave text annotations within the image. Leave an audio note along with the image. Hold the trigger to record videos. Connect to mobile devices via built-in Wi-Fi. To remotely control the camera, quickly share images and videos through the HIKMICRO Viewer app. The free HIKMICRO Analyzer software offers flexible ways to analyze and also generate professional quality reports. HIKMICRO offers an extensive warranty: 3 years on full product, 10 years on detector, and 2 years on battery. HIKMICRO G Series handheld thermography cameras offer high performance for professional users.